Let's be completely honest, finding the perfect gear can be stressful, but let's be completely honest, finding the perf changes everything. If you love cool items, stick around for a moment. I was honestly a bit skeptical at first, but after seeing that the engineering behind it is brilliant, I was completely sold. It is a complete game changer cause it simply does its job beautifully every single time. The single biggest reason you need this in your life is because it works better than anything else in the market. It's highly practical, compact, and packed with thoughtful features that actually matter to you. Stop settling for less when you can have the best. This is your ultimate sign to upgrade. Go directly to the video description right now, click that product link, and grab yours today while stocks last. Product link product_link_ placeholder. Let's be completely honest, finding the perfect gear can be stressful, but let's be completely honest, finding the perf changes everything. If you love cool items, stick around for a moment.